Hi everyone, so today we have a fun-filled food episode and our first stop is right here. This is Gururi Rolling Sushi School and we're going to be making our own little maki rolls. This is what I'm going to be making. This particular creature, it's a very well-loved Japanese character called Oni. Oni is one of the good ghosts that will protect the children. They celebrate the transition from winter to spring and they do so by basically doing what Oni does and throwing beans at everything. And when you throw the beans, it's kind of like, ha! Like go away, bad stuff, bad juju, and like come in good fortune and like good vibes. So it's really cute. I mean, that's very, very paraphrased, but that's basically what it's all about. So I'm gonna be making this iconic creature. Apparently it's like a medium difficulty. I've never rolled my own maki before, so I'm really, really excited. And sorry to say, but it looks really tasty too, so I can't wait to eat it. Our teachers for today are Chikako-san and Hiromi-san. Yeah! Making sushi. Sushi. So we're gonna prep the horn. Did I do it all? My little horn is ready. It's a scrap. No one will miss it. So this will be Oni's hair. Soften each piece. Because if it's too dry, it will start to crackle and break. Oh, this one's much better. What happened there? 在这边的部分吗？
对。
Oh, so we're making the chin right now. Eyes on here. I'm gonna form the sides and just cover up the eyes. 等一下。
そうね。偉いね。そうそう。
Don't wanna waste. Let's go, Oni.
上手。
Hold it. Gonna be assembling his beautiful little locks. So we're just filling in the space between the horn. So this will act as my glue. Trying to make sure that it's even.
中间。
かわいい。
中间。
くるくるっと巻いちゃって、くるくるっと。
然後卷起来。
卷。
オッケーオッケー。そしたら
I'm
ね。
nervous.
ラップ切って。
I have no idea. You can't really tell. Like what? It definitely looks a little bit ugly. I don't know why they're all jutting out this way. Moment of truth. How is it? I can't really see it. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. Oh, it's very sharp. Woo! So all that was left to do was to put some facial expressions on Oni and we were done! Thank you! Oni! Oh my god! I got my own sushi rolling set! Huge shout out to Chikako-san and her team. They were so lovely. And after that thoroughly wholesome experience, we bid our goodbyes and we're off to our next stop, the Shinyokohama Ramen Museum. Are we doing that? Oh! Alright, so here we are at our next stop at Shinyokohama Ramen Museum. This is the first ever ramen museum to be built in all of Japan. So today we'll be trying our hands at making ramen from scratch the traditional way, including the Aodake-uchi, which is that green bamboo method. So let's go! Alright, first things first, we're gonna put the flour into this gigantic bowl. Shake it out so that it's even. Some lye water. And we're gonna do it in a circular motion. Do like a claw hand and then just like this. Ooh, it's cold. So you want it to be as spread out as possible. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm making ramen. I love ramen.
In the middle.
In the middle. In the middle.
Make a small Fujisan.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Press. Ooh, it's already hot. Maybe she's not a ramen professional. And then bottom up. Hiya. Hiya. Imagine owning a ramen shop and having to make 50 servings. They actually put it on the ground and they use their feet. Of course, clean feet. So the harder you press, the more QQ your noodles will be, which is the gold standard. I want my noodles as QQ as possible, so I will press. Down, right, up, and then left, and then one more time. 2 cycles. Yeah? Oh, it's getting harder to press down actually. I'm actually sliding. I'm using so much of my weight. CPR. Dun, 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 dun. Staying alive. Was that a frog? Can you see how tough it is now? Oh, look at that.
You can do it.
Thank you very much. Turn over.
Yeah, make it round.
Okay, make it round. Okay?
You got it. Good.
Yeah!
Yes.
That was hard work. Okay. There we go. Not bad at all. While the dough rests for 10 minutes, the master shows us how Aodake-uchi works. Aodake-uchi is a traditional technique for making noodles that originated in China. So you straddle one leg over a long green bamboo stick called the Aodake and hop up and down on your other leg. This technique was used all over Japan during the early days in the history of ramen noodles. As time went by, noodle making machines became more mainstream, but it's still practiced in certain parts of Japan. And apparently by me too. Dusting powder. Ooh. I already forgot, there was a lot of instructions. Let me figure it out. It's time for the Aodake-uchi. Let's begin. The most important thing is to stick it underneath. It doesn't fall out, because if it does, this is not good. And then we'll begin. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh. Don't know if I'm supposed to use my elbow, but it's helping. And then left, left, left. Like this. Okay, I've just been corrected very promptly. Turn, 180. And then center point. Ooh, okay, that felt good, that felt good. Right. Right. Left. And then left. And then left. We're gonna be folding it once. Okay. And now it's time for the Aodake-uchi. Oh my goodness! Ready? Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna break the table. Right. Ah! So now we're gonna fold it in 5 cm bits. Okay. Again. So the ultimate goal is to reach 40 centimeters. If you look at this, I am at a measly 25, so I'm gonna have to keep working until it reaches 40. Tough stuff, huh? Your ramen, you eat until very sure, right? You guys feel good watching this? This is 10, 20, 30, 35. This is even less. 1, 2, 3. 35 and 30. One more time then. That's okay. We'll persevere. I think we got it, boys. Come on, let's check it out. Ooh! Almost. Almost. One more time. Hi, okay. And then This one also. Oh my god, it feels like leather. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go over there. Ooh. Oh, automatic. Oh, we love it.
Change left hand.
Left hand.
Don't move.
Don't move it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Be careful not to
Okay.
cut finger.
Oh, okay. I love the automatic. After I've had my fun with the noodle cutter, we gathered them onto a plate and got them ready to be either served or packed. First, he sprinkled a lot of dusting powder to make sure that these noodles stay separated in their packs and then split them into 2. We each had 2 servings by the end of the workshop, and you could choose to either keep it or cook it to eat right on the spot. So unexpectedly, I also got a bonus lesson in cooking ramen too. Score! Okay, 20 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on.
Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7,
6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on.
Pour it in.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, your noodle.
Yeah! Order up! Woo! Woo! I'm just kidding. Look at that! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So we're gonna do a taste test right now. These noodles have been kindly sponsored by Chloe behind the camera because I really wanted to save mine so that I can share it with my partner. So let's try Chloe's ramen. It looks really, really good. This is a shoyu broth. We have some spring onions and leek. Ooh, it smells good. Itadakimasu! Oh man, that's the stuff. It's really good. I can't believe we just made it. It's kind of incredible. I'm gonna try the chashu. It's actually really tasty. Oishi desu. Yeah. This is really good. So after we finished that glorious bowl of noodles, I thanked the master and then we headed off to explore the other part of the museum. Okay, so now we're gonna go downstairs and try out all of the famous ramens in one place. Imagine a food court full of the world's most famous ramen stores. Oh my gosh! Once we got down to the food court, we knew we had to be strategic. And thankfully, we were still hungry after Chloe's wonderful ramen, and the stalls actually do offer half bowls, which is still pretty substantial, so we picked 2 more bowls of ramen to try. Our first bowl was from Ryu Shanghai Honten, a one-of-a-kind hot spicy miso ramen. The broth was rich, yet super umami and tasty, and it complemented the thick, springy noodles. Wow, spicy, huh? I'm not usually like a thick broth spicy miso kind of gal, but this one was phenomenal, so I highly recommend it. The other bowl we tried was from Ryukyu Shinmen Tondo, which is a Shio ramen or salt-flavored ramen. It's originally from Okinawa and it has still a really complex and deep flavor of dashi. Wow, that was amazing. You know, ramen is actually my favorite Japanese food, and throughout the week we've tried so many different items, and it just feels so satisfying that on our last day here we get to eat a ton of the best ramen in Japan all in one place. So again, highly recommend you check out this place, the Shinyokohama Ramen Museum. I will leave all of the links down below, including the ramen making experience, so you can try it out for yourselves. And that's a wrap on the Shinyokohama Ramen Museum, and that's a wrap on Japan. I've had so much fun. I've learned so many new things over this week. I've made a knife. I have a jewelry box with kinpaku designs. Tried my hand at glass blowing. I tried my hand at silk embroidery. I've seen the beautiful sights of Shirakawago, and I've made a lot of friends and a lot of good memories along the way. So if you're watching this and you've stuck with me for all 5 episodes, I just want to say thank you. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me go on this amazing journey. I hope you guys also found it helpful and inspiring for you and your itinerary when you come to Japan. And again, leave me a comment below if you want to win one of 3 hand-picked souvenirs from this trip. Ooh, just leave me a comment down below telling me what was your favorite activity, what you really enjoyed, and what you're looking forward to trying yourself. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.